What is up, everybody? Welcome back. If you guys are new here, we just bought a brand new home and put it on a piece of raw land. Well, today is property maintenance. So we have here a 6-inch mini chainsaw that we are going to put to the ultimate test. We're going to go outside, we're going to cut branches with it, we're going to do everything it was made to do, and if it passes all those tests, we're going to cut down a large tree with it. It's not designed for it, but we're going to do it anyway, so make sure you guys stick around for that. We also have this grass blade here. This thing is awesome for cleaning up your fence line, working around in the garden. There's a lot of cool things that this will do. You guys, we also have a pair of really nice, powerful pruners here. These are going to change your world, man. We also have a nice hedge trimmer. You guys, we're going to try these tools out one by one, so make sure you stick around. You don't want to miss it. All right, guys, the first test we're going to do is with the pruners. I think it'll go right through my butter.
All right, ready, and cut. Oh,
Whoa,
hello.
whoa.
I did not expect that.
Look at that. Nice, clean cut.
Ooh, hello.
Wow. I love that.
Okay, I will say, this has, you got no strength on this, okay? This beats the arms.
Yeah.
Having to do this. Like, this is no effort. Look at that.
Here, cut me this one right here. All right. Let's do a little test here. That is so cool.
It's like carrot soup.
It's satisfying.
Man. All right, this is pretty. Oh my goodness.
That's going to be Amanda's new favorite tool right there.
Wow.
I get the chainsaw, you get that one.
How thick can it go? Hey.
Whoa, that's pretty thick.
Oh.
Really?
It went through that.
No way.
Yeah, it did.
Do that one right there. That's a thick one. There's no. Oh my goodness.
That is thick. Oh my goodness. Wow. What else? What else? All right. I see a naked tree over there. Man.
That really surprised me.
Wow. Okay. All right. I see some naked branches here. All right. A little thicker. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, should I do this one down here?
I don't know.
All right. Ready?
Wow.
Look at this, honey.
We have the nicest looking little stick in the whole yard.
All right, careful. Whee!
Thanks.
I said careful. All right, I'm getting this ready for your favorite tool.
It looks like the Charlie Brown Christmas tree.
It's a sad tree. All right, I'm getting this ready for your favorite tool.
Oh, the chainsaw?
Yeah. But this is, I'm like flabbergasted. It just
Man.
spits it. That's crazy.
What'd you just find?
I found little ball poop.
Oh, deer poop. Oh. The only YouTube channel that shows you poop. Alright guys, the next test is going to be the mini chainsaw. Before we get into this, we need to have a word from our sponsors.
This video is sponsored by Seesii. 3 tools in one, all powered by the same battery. Versatile 12-inch hedge trimmer. A 6-inch grass blade with a 60-degree adjustable head for tricky angles. Super powerful and sharp pruning shears that can handle all different sizes and variety of vegetation. The 6-inch chainsaw cuts branches up to 6 inches thick. Has built-in bar and chain oil dispenser. And adjusting your chain is easy on this saw with your built-in chain adjustment knob. This chain is sharp and ready to go right out of the box. Also comes with 2 fully charged 4-amp batteries that are ready to go for long runtime.
And this here's what all your attachments go on. You got your charger. And then inside this baggie here, we got a pair of gloves. We got an extra chain, a pair of safety glasses, some tools,
So if you guys are interested in this Seesii tool lineup, I will leave the link in the description. Make sure you guys click on it and go check them out.
All right, are you guys ready for the mini chainsaw? Now remember, we are going to go out, we're going to cut down some smaller branches first, which it's designed for. That's what this is made for. So don't think you're going to go out and do what I'm doing with it. But if this passes, I'm going to cut down a large tree. This chainsaw actually has its own thing where you can fill it up with oil. But this bottle here is if you want to do it manually, I think. You know, you can just, squirt it. So it's sealed though. You need to cut this.
And guess what? We have a cutter.
It's cut. All right,
now it's ready to use.
I'm going to go fill this up with oil. And I'm going to fill this up with oil. All right, this is bar and chain oil here.
Ooh, that's thick.
Yeah.
That's like glue.
Actually, I'm probably going to use that little bottle to pour it in here so I don't make a mess. How's that?
There you go.
Oh,
there you go.
Yeah, that's enough to get us started.
Yeah.
I just want to see how it squirts. How does it work? Oh, look, I see the oil in there. Yep, right there. I don't know if you can zoom in right there. Can you see it coming out? Probably not. Right there, the oil comes out.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's dripping.
Yeah, let me.
Lubricant.
Look, you guys can see it, right?
Yeah, I see the shiny.
That's pretty cool. Because the other models, they had the earlier models that just came with this thing that you went around it, which is fine, it works. But this one has the pump on it. Makes it a lot easier. Look at this chain. Look, your chain's loose, right? My other little mini chainsaw, I have to go get tools out and everything to tighten my chain. This one, all you gotta do is right here. So if your chain gets loose, you can tighten and loosen your chain right here at your fingertips. I love that. So first test is this one right here. We made it.
Nice.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
What should I cut next?
There's like a partially chopped up one over there. It's a little bit thicker. Or this one here. Goosh.
Now this right here is exactly what this chainsaw is designed for. If you guys have down branches in your yard, stuff you have to put out to the curb or anything, this little chainsaw will cut it up in pieces in no time.
Man, our ghost would love that.
All right, this one's pretty big.
Well, that's what I was looking at. Like that thing's about out.
All right, watch out, because this one's a Widowmaker.
The Widowmaker. Timber! You can hear the echo in there.
I don't know if it's rotted. Look how rotted that is up top.
What?
No, I want to do the big one.
I want to do the big one.
Yeah.
All right.
Are you ready?
Yep.
You guys, like I said before, this chainsaw is not designed for big trees like this, but you know me, I put everything to the ultimate test.
Are you like almost half?
Guys, do not try this at home.
So I'm cutting this tree just like I would with any other chainsaw. I'm notching it out to make it safer to land where I want it to.
Got a little connection there. We are definitely testing it for sure.
You guys, I don't think this saw's made for this, but we are definitely testing out the limits. There's no turning back now.
Yeah, now you don't cut it.
All right, so now I'm going to ask my camera lady to go stand over there a little bit while I try to cut this. According to my calculations, it should fall that way and crush our new fence that we just put up.
Hold on to that thought. Crush the new fence that I just put up.
Leaning.
Timber!
Uh-oh.
Oh. It hit another tree.
We didn't see that one.
All right, there it goes.
We're getting it.
What did I say? My new fence I just
Your
put up.
calculations were correct. It went on our fence.
The things I do for you guys. You guys realize that? Man, I was this far off.
Alright, we'll cut this piece off. That way we can get our fence fixed a little bit.
Man, I was this close, guys. No, it didn't do much damage. Oh.
I think the chickens are laughing.
Everybody's laughing at me. I just know it. I can hear people in the comments. You know, a lot of people get killed playing with trees. If there's any sponsors out there who do fencing stuff, please email me. I need some fencing material. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut all this up real quick. Get this mess out of the way. How many batteries bars we got? 3 bars still. Look at that. I cut a whole tree down with one little bar.
Look at that.
All right, so I'm going to cut all this up real quick, and then we're going to talk about some safety rules. I think we need to go back to safety class. All right, let's do it.
Still got 3? Still got 3.
The next thing we're going to try out is our hedge trimmers. Everybody needs a nice pair of hedge trimmers. These ones are really lightweight and easy to use.
Ready?
Yeah, I guess just get in on it.
Here we go. Actually did a good job. And that's like butter. Let's see how thick we can go with this.
Pretty cool, though.
Yeah.
Man, you can actually see the stump now.
Let's see if we can get this one. Hey. So look, it got pretty thick.
Yeah. Yeah, it cuts right through those like nothing.
Just got all these vines. Cut these vines. Oh.
Man, we could like carve this out and make like a design out of it or something.
I was just thinking that. Man, that'd be kind of fun.
This is like an old stump, y'all. We cut this tree down last year. Look how much it's grown. Like this, it's trying to grow back.
We
All
don't
the
want it
branches
to.
growing out of it. All right, you want to try that other attachment? Last but not least is our grass blade attachment. Now this one is almost like the hedge trimmer, except it's handheld, and it's good for like doing fence lines, you know, cleaning up stuff that the weed eater just can't get, you know, that thicker stuff. It works really good. You guys check it out. All right, there's two little red things. Just push those in and it pulls right out. There you go.
Okay.
And then you put your another attachment on. This one here is going to give me a haircut. This is a buzz cut. It looks like it, right? Hey, Dad, you want a haircut?
They look like clippers.
So if you guys are interested in this brand new lineup of the Seesii tools, you guys, I am going to leave the link in the description where you can go and order yourself one. And I'll also leave a coupon code there. Now the coupon code will not last forever, so make sure you guys go check them out. 8% off using my coupon code. But anyways, we really enjoyed this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to check out our other channel for the chicken content if you guys are interested in that. Otherwise, we'll love you guys, and we'll see you
On the next one.
Bye.